This is my town!
I love
Go
it.
away! Apparently 110 people live here.
110?
Yeah, not fully occupied in winter.
Oh,
And the local council are trying to get it protected status because it's at risk of being demolished or something.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah. Hopefully it won't be because it's cool, isn't it?
It is really cool.
They're trying to get it awarded a cultural status.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Jackie's top bit of video today. Dog sniffing his out.
I've never seen her actually like a dog.
Oh.
I mean, she might eat it in a second.
Yeah, so she's just thinking about the snacking.
There's definitely snacking. It's like a training program for Sasha.
They're still following us. We've lost one dog and we seem to have lost Cath as well.
Oh, we've lost her.
Oh, we've lost
Cath is gone. Never to be seen again.
Hello. Yeah. Hello. Oh, look, is that the hospital?
The local Red Cross.
Yeah.
Souvenirs.
Look at the steps. That's what we need to do.
You're the kitten I was offered the other day, aren't you? Yeah. Bye-bye. They've got their own generators. They collect their water from a tank near the town hall, apparently.
All right.
lost for the first time today. Wouldn't be a trek without getting lost though, would it? Right, you know, this was the right path. It's actually not, but it's good, so let's carry on. Because the right path took us down to that archway. Yeah, and in fact, where that person is. But this looks good, doesn't it? Is she gonna go in?
That one.
La Algameca Chica, a little fishing village that's quite unique.